Imagine earning $100 per hour from the comfort of your home. No complicated setups or special skills needed, just your computer and internet connection. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide to make this reality. Stay tuned until the end as I will share bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who could use this as a side hustle. The first step is to find a reliable platform where you can get access to high-paying remote jobs. One of the best websites for this is We Work Remotely. This is a trusted platform used by big-name companies like Google, Amazon, and even small startups. On this site, businesses from all industries post remote job opportunities for skilled workers. And the best part, you don't need a degree or extensive experience for many of these roles. You will notice hundreds of jobs listed. For today's video, let's focus on freelance writing, a simple beginner-friendly option that pays well. Now let's talk about why freelance writing is a fantastic way to earn money. As a freelance writer, you'll be paid to create articles and blog posts for websites. This could cover a wide range of topics including sports and fitness, fashion and lifestyle, finance and investing, technology, and even legal matters. For instance, you might write a guide on the top fitness apps, explain the basics of investing, or even craft fun listicles like 10 best travel destinations. The possibilities are endless. What's exciting is that you can earn around $20 for every 100 words. Most articles are 500 words or more, meaning you can earn around $100 per article. With consistent effort, you can easily complete several articles in a single day. One of the best things about freelance writing is how accessible it is. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. And here's how you're going to get started. Number 1. Microsoft Word or Google Docs. These are essentials for creating and formatting your articles. Number 2. Stable internet connection. This ensures you can communicate effectively with clients and meet deadlines. Number 3. Good communication skills. Being able to respond clearly and professionally to client feedback is a big plus. Number 4. Team player mindset. Even though you will work independently, being open to collaboration or suggestions will set you apart. If you are worried about writing skills, tools like ChatGPT can help you refine your work and ensure it is polished. Next is applying jobs. Once you have decided to dive in, it is time to apply. Search through the listings on We Work Remotely and find jobs that match your interests or expertise. Start with roles labeled as entry level if you are a beginner, or go for specific niches if you have knowledge in a particular field. Don't get discouraged if you are rejected the first few times. This is normal. Keep refining your applications and remember, there are hundreds of opportunities posted on this site daily. When applying, make sure your cover letter is personalized. Share a little bit about yourself, highlight any relevant experience, and include a sample of your writing. If you don't have a sample, create one. Pick a topic you are interested in and write a short 300-word article as an example. One important thing is to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It might take a few tries to land your first gig, but once you do it, it gets easier to build momentum. Happy clients will often come back to you for more work, and many will even recommend you to others. Freelancing is flexible, so you can decide how many projects you can take on. Whether you want to make a full-time income or just earn some extra cash on the side, you are in control. Now, as promised, here are the few bonus tips to help you earn even more. Number 1. Expand your skills. Consider learning other skills like SEO writing or content marketing, as these are highly in demand and pay better rates. You can learn them on YouTube or other free platforms. Number 2. Use other platforms. While We Work Remotely is great, you can explore other sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger for additional opportunities. Number 3. Build a portfolio. Over time, compile your best works into an online portfolio like Google Sites, which is totally free. This makes it easier to attract clients and secure higher paying jobs. By consistently improving your skills and delivering quality work, you can increase your rates and make this a long-term source of income. And that's it. Now you know how to start earning $100 per hour from home as a freelance writer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Don't forget to check out my playlist, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.